and using the precision glue gel. There's another end here, which is that take you to the precision brush. So if the brush, you can use it for the bigger pieces like this, the metal piece. If you don't want to using the needles, like a precise needle, you can definitely using yours the brush and brush it on.
And Bala Beauty Nails. So currently we have a few, but yeah, so easiest way to get our product is head straight over to our website at glitzaccessorysuch.com. Everything is live and everything is on sale right now.
Yes, just don't miss out the great opportunity. Glitz want to special thanks to every single of you for amazing love and support for past 3.5 years, going to be 4 years really soon in a couple months. And we wouldn't be here without every single of you. So thanks so much for a lot of love, a lot of support, continued support for past many years. And thank you so much for all of ours, like, you know, is behind the scenes, our BA team, our office team, our warehouse teams, all of us like make it happen to give all the shipping out to you ASAP, even during a special holiday times or during a lot of like a difficult time. They work so hard to make sure everything is delivery to you. So I am going ahead and sealed. You see that I sealed around the chains already, and I'm go ahead and seals it right on the top. You are going to seal on the top of the frame and the metal beads, and do not try not to get into your crystal because you don't want to destroy the sparkles and the cut of your crystal. So I'm gonna using my really precise brush and blend out the extra precision glue gels. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Moving on the next one, I'm gonna seal it on. Normally it's done, and then the clients go home and it's catching on my hair, I can't, and it's keep. So what had happened, if you see the set before I have this one, I don't have an issue. But the other set that I have, it will go back into the black and white set. That's one of my favorite set as well. You can see that I did have one video I show you. I have one hand, which is my right hand. I didn't put precision glue gels, and I have the left hand. I put absolutely is secure precision glue gels in there, and then none of the crystal is even come off. Even though I wash my hair, I do everything else, working, take care of the kids, and cleaning. Is none of them are come off at all on the left one, and the other ones is not come off. Some of them are keep catching on my hair. When I feel they come out, it means that it's catching on the hair so much to the point that your hair pull it out. But this one, you absolutely can see that it will double and a triple secure, and it's not coming off at all. And then of course you can go back and seal it again as you prefer. If you feel like the clients, I always check with the clients, say, can you please like try and run through the hair and see if you're catching anything, or if you know you feel any scratchy at all, then let me know ASAP so then I can fill it in. They always do that, and then they let me know. And then it's a little bit scratchy right here, and so okay, cool. And then you can seal it again. Make sure that each layer you seal. If you need to seal more than once, make sure you cure between, which is about between 10 to 30 seconds to flash cure first, and then you can seal another layers on it, okay? But try not to get it around the cuticle, around the edges and gap, but not on the top of the crystals, because to avoiding it taking away from its sparkle and the shines, and is gorgeous. All right, so cure for 60 seconds.
Yes, and for everyone that had questions, so the bottle that Nancy using is called Precision Glue Gel. It's one of our top products. You can get on our website right now, glitzaccessorysuch.com, and it is on sale.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome. I will stock up 10. We'll have a salon. A lot of salons that love a crystal will stock up so many bottles when it's special sale like this. I'm going to seal the frame. I'm not going to seal on the top of the crystal. I'm going to seal around the frame and the edges right here. And I love using on the needle ends because it's going really precise for me. So I don't have to worry about, oh my God, I flooded my crystals. Also, each time you're going to feel scratchy, you're going to squeeze just that much. Just little, go a long way. You don't want to be flooded your crystals. So you're going to using just a little bit. When you feel that scratchy, you are going to squeeze it out. So you don't want to just like squeeze it all the time because it's going to make it just extra, not necessary. All right, so I'm going to clear this one for 60 seconds. And then this one, the centerpiece is online, yeah? Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. It's so cute though. Here, okay, this one quick when I'm holding my hands. This is one of my kids. I'm gonna save that. I'm not gonna lose anything. This one, the first one I did. Second. Thank you. I thought I had 5. No?
No, I think you do. I think there's
Why is that another one?
one more.
What is that? Did you keep it somewhere?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I said, hey, I think I have 5. Hold on, let me switch them.